Hello, hello. So I'm pretty excited because I got this giant, always love when I see this giant box in the mail today. And it is my December Essential Rewards order. And I am going to unbox it for you guys and then just talk about all the freebies I got. I'm going to show you what I just got in my monthly order. I did order something for a friend as well, and just tell you a little bit about how I use each item. I'm going to set this down because it's huge and it's taking up my whole desk, and we'll go through it together because sometimes that's fun. If you are not familiar with Essential Rewards, it is Young Living's monthly auto ship program, and it's so awesome. You change up your order every month so you don't get the same stuff. A lot of times people think if they do the monthly auto ship that they're going to get the same thing every month, and that's not how it is. You change up your cart and you get what you want, and then you earn between 10 and 25% back on your order. So I've been doing it for over, I think it's like 3 or 4 years I've been doing it. So I earn 25% back. So if I spend $100, I get $25 of free product, and I think that's amazing. So you also get discounted shipping, and you can do their Wild Go program, which is kind of like Amazon Prime, where you pay a fee for the year and then your shipping is free. And so I finally joined that this month. So this order I had free shipping, which is super cool. So, but let's get into it. I got a ton of stuff to get through, and I don't want to keep you guys for too long. So the first thing I got is the Master Formula. This is vitamins, and I got this for my husband about, I think, 2 months ago. And because his doctor had recommended that he get on a bunch of different vitamins, and this is like one packet that has all your vitamins and minerals in it. It's just easier than sitting there opening up all different multiple vitamins. And Young Living's vitamins are so much better than regular vitamins. They really work at getting you the natural form of the vitamin, which our bodies can process better. And then they add essential oils to their supplements, which are like a catalyst. They've actually discovered that it helps our bodies to absorb more of the nutrients. I think in the study, it was like 60 to 80% more of the vitamin than when you just take it without essential oils in it. So he's been taking the Master Formula. He likes it, and it's easy for him to remember to take his vitamins. So I got another box of those for him. I got another bottle of the, sorry, my lighting it's really bright today. The Mighty Zyme for the kids. This is an enzyme support for children. They have multiple ones for adults, but my son has autism, and a lot of times with autism comes dietary issues. He's got a gluten intolerance and just digestive issues and things like that. And a long time ago, I discovered that if he takes enzymes on a regular basis, that he just does better in life. And so the Young Living ones are really nice. It's a little chewable, and he likes to take them. You take it with your meal, and that also helps your body to digest up food and to get the most nutrients out of your food. So our food used to have enzymes in it. It's supposed to. God made food with enzymes in it to help break down your food and for you to get nutrients. But unfortunately, with so much processed food, the enzymes are killed off. When foods are cooked, a lot of times enzymes are killed off. So people need enzymes. And so if you're not taking a digestive enzyme, and if you have any kind of digestive issue or allergies or different things like that, a lot of people find relief by taking enzymes. So recommend it, and Lennon loves these. Okay, next I got restocked on the Lavender Mint shampoo. I love Young Living's hair care so much. This is super concentrated. It's super thick. I only use a tiny little bit. Some people like to dilute it with water, but I just use a little bit because it's easier that way. Smells amazing. The lavender mint feels so good on your scalp. It's like refreshing and tingling. So I was out and I needed more. Let's see, what else did I get in here? I ordered a new product guide. You guys, if you need an updated product guide, a lot of times people search catalog and it's not under catalog, it's under product guide. So when you will place your order, just put a product guide in your cart, because they have come out with new stuff. Every convention they come out with new stuff. So they're always fun to look through. So I needed a new one, so I got a new catalog. I got some more Savvy Minerals makeup. You guys, I love their makeup. It's so natural. It's so light. My skin loves it. I don't break out nearly as often as I used to. And I totally credit Young Living Skincare and their makeup. I needed more of, this is called Wanderlust. It is their lightest eyeshadow, and I have been out for like a week. I use it for the highlighter, like up here, and I don't have any on today, but usually it goes like up here and then sometimes on the inside of the corner of your eye, and it's a really pretty shimmery white kind of color. It actually looks more skin colored in the container, but when you put it on. So I was out, and I'm so glad that this came, because when you are used to doing your makeup a certain way and you run out of a color, it's kind of a bummer. And I love how they send the makeup. They always send it in these pretty little boxes. Next thing that I got, I have tons of oils, but I'm trying to go through everything. I got a 2-pack of Ninja Red. You guys, I love this stuff. I'm not going to open it up and show you the bottles. Hopefully you've seen them before. This is their super antioxidant drink, especially in the winter. I love to drink 1 ounce to 2 ounces every day. Sometimes I'll do every other day. And I add oils like Red Shot, or that was just it's on sale until the 31st. If you've never tried Red Shot, your Ninja Red, you should get a bottle because it's so good. Cinnamon, thieves, lemon, any of the citruses. You can add little drops of oil to your little shot of Ninja Red. I also love to make the little mocktails where I'll put some Ninja Red with some ice in a glass, and then I add sparkling mineral water like Claire Brune or LaCroix, and that makes a super refreshing drink, but you're getting nutrients and vitamins and antioxidants. And if you are one of those people that you feel a little sluggish, your immune system is down, if you seem to catch a lot of things, if you just don't feel like you're running on full speed, you should try Ninja Red for a couple months. Do a daily dose for 2 or 3 months and just see what a difference it makes for you, because it's pretty epic. The next thing I got, I got 2 things. Okay, I got more Inner Defense. This supplement I have to have in the winter. I use it to get my body's natural defenses in gear, to boost my immune system, to kick out anything that might be causing me to feel a bit underneath the wellness line. And I always recommend that people take it right away on the onset of anything, or if you've been around other people, you took a flight, you're in a enclosed area, or maybe you are around a lot of kids at church and you notice people are sniffling and sneezing. So Inner Defense is amazing. You can make your own capsules with oregano and thieves inside a capsule with some carrier oil, and I used to do that. This is just a pre-made one, and I'm all for convenience and ease. So I usually go through about 2 bottles of Inner Defense every winter, and I just ran out of my first bottle, and I actually only had half when I started. So needed more of that, and I love this. It really has saved me many a times. And then I got some more mineral essence. I put this in my Ninja Red. It's a dropper, and it has a bunch of minerals in it, and royal jelly and honey and some oils. And you guys, we do not get enough minerals in our food. Our food used to be full of minerals from the soil, and now with all the processed food we eat, and with the fact that there's just an over farming and things like that, especially if you're not eating organic all the time, we're just probably not getting enough minerals in our food. And I know I am iron deficient because I've been tested for it. So I use mineral essence. It's just a great way to get the minerals in. And I add it to my Ninja Red. The next thing I got, I love this stuff if you haven't tried it yet. I got a 3-pack of the Thieves hand purifier, waterless hand purifier. It's thieves, but it also has peppermint in it. It smells so good, but this is basically like your natural hand sanitizer without like the harsh chemicals in there, and it works great. I know a lot of times, you know, after you use it shopping cart, I like to use it this time of year when things are going around. I love to use this, and I don't know about you, but I love going thrifting. I'm like a thrift shop person. I love hunting and finding treasures in the thrift store, but every time I go in a thrift store afterwards, I always feel like my hands need some of this, so I always carry some in my purse. Just a little tip, but it smells great, and the 3-pack is really reasonable. All right, now I actually got 2 product guides, which is good because I just gave one away. So I needed to restock that. The next stuff is all oils and then freebies. So I definitely had a really big order this month. I needed a lot of stuff, and so I stocked up, and then I also had a friend that wanted to order, which is always great because then you earn bonus points and you get freebies if you hit certain amounts. So if you don't know that about Essential Rewards, if you're on Essential Rewards, right away at 100 PV, you get a free oil. And I'm trying to remember what the free oil was this month. It was a 5 milliliter of lemongrass this month, I believe. Let me see. I'm going to get all these oils out, and then I can talk about them with you because oils are always fun. And if you haven't branched out from the oils, you guys, you've got to try some of their other stuff. I am in love with their everything. I mean, I seriously am. Even though you guys know I love to share with people, but even if I didn't, I would be using all of their stuff because it is just amazing. Okay, I got 3 bottles of tangerine. Love tangerine in the diffuser. It's so amazing with patchouli. If you mix anything with patchouli, citrus-wise, it smells really good. But I got tangerine because I have a make and take coming up for one of my members, and we're making a relaxation after shower body spray and a relaxation roll-on, and it's going to be tangerine, lavender, and stress away, and those 3 smell amazing together. So she's having a lot of people coming, and I'm using a lot of tangerine, so I ordered 3 of those. Tangerine's also really great in water. It comes in a Vitality. It's really great in Ninja Red, and you can cook with it and make things with it too. All right, so I ordered another bottle of lavender. I've got some of my supplies for the make and take right up here. I've actually already got a couple bottles of lavender, but I wanted to make sure I had enough for the make and take. You never want to run out. So I bought another bottle of lavender. Trying to separate my freebies from what I bought. Okay, so it was a free lemongrass at 100 PV order this month. So I got a free lemongrass. And then as you go up in your order, at 190, you get more free things. At 250, you get more free things. And at 300, you get more free things. And then this month, they had another tier. They don't always do that, but they had another tier at 400. So I actually ended up getting all the freebies because I did need to, as you can see, I stocked up on a lot of things, and the freebies were so good that I could not resist them. So the only other things that I paid for in my order these were two things that my friends ordered. The Kid Scent Tummy Jies and the Kid Scent Sniffles. Now these are great for kids because they're already pre-diluted. Sniffles is for sniffles. Tummy Jies is for tummies. These are pre-diluted and ready for kids. So if you're one of those moms, like I'm a mom that I use Jies. I'm a mom that I make my own chest rub and I feel great about using it on my kid. But if you're the mom that is a little bit more cautious and you're not sure about how much to dilute, Kid Scent line is amazing because it's pre-diluted and ready to go for kids and safe for kids. So it's a great option. And my friend was really excited that Young Living had a Kid Scent line. So these are for her, and I'm really excited that she's trying them because the Kid Scent line smells amazing too. So that's everything that was on my order, and the rest I got for free. So like I said, at the 100 PV level on ER, you're going to get a free oil. This month it was lemongrass. It's different every month. If you have not smelled lemongrass, get it. It's very reasonably priced, and it's awesome for in your diffuser. It smells amazing. It's a really strong oil that makes your house smell super clean and fresh. It's great to add to cleaners or to your thieves cleaner for just another extra boost of scent. It's great on wool dryer balls in the dryer. It's great to add to your laundry. It's great for so many things. Plus, it's a detoxifying oil, so it's great just for your own body. If you're rubbing it on topically, it can be great. Okay, so the other free oils I got are Joy. Joy is one of my ultimate favorites. I love it. I use it over my heart almost every day. It's very floral, so if you're not a floral person, you should still try this oil, but you should add a citrus with it, because a lot of people who are not fans of floral will tolerate Joy if they add a citrus. But it really, the name Joy says it all. It's a very good emotional support oil. And I was so happy that it was free this month. One of the freebies, one of the bonuses, because my bottle is getting low. I always buy the 15 milliliter, but it's getting kind of low, and it is one of my daily favorite oils. There was White Angelica, which if you haven't used White Angelica, it's another blend that is so good. It smells amazing, and it's supposed to be great for like keeping negative feelings away from you. If you have to go into stressful situations, if you're around negative people, a lot of times people swear by White Angelica. I don't know how that would work, but I do know that it smells really good and I like it, and people swear by it. So if you're someone that has that issue and you're looking for something, hey, why not try it, right? Gathering is another one that was free this month, and I was so happy because my bottle just ran out. This one is supposed to be good emotionally for supporting for when you're in social gatherings, and a lot of people get just like nervous, or they just feel awkward when they're in social settings. I definitely have that. I know that Lennon has that, and so this is an oil I've used on him before. It smells really good, and it has just blends for emotional support, for calming, and just keeping you, clear-headed in those kind of situations. So Gathering was free. Pine was free this month. My husband really loves this one in the diffuser in his office. It's just a great tree scent, great this time of year, but he likes it all year long, and he couldn't find our bottle the other day, and he was like, "Where's the pine?" Well, he was looking like a man. I ended up finding it eventually in my oil cabinet, but I did tell him, "Don't worry, because the new bottle's coming. So if we're out, you're getting some free pine this month." And then the big thing that I'm so excited about is a 15 milliliter bottle of frankincense free. You guys, this is a $75 bottle wholesale, and it was free this month with Essential Rewards. Actually, it might have been free even if you weren't on Essential Rewards if you ordered a 400 PV order. So super excited to have a stock of frankincense, because this is one I love to use topically on Lennon. It's really great. Just for brain support, for overall wellness. It is so good for your body. So frankincense, use it. It's amazing. And then we also got the Gary Young book, which I actually already have. It's right here, but I'm probably going to use this as a giveaway. You guys, this book is amazing. It tells the story of Young Living. Young Living's been in business for 25 years, if you don't know that. It's not a company that's just been around for a little bit. And there is amazing history behind it. Gary Young started this like in his kitchen, distilling stuff. He went to France and studied there for years, and then brought back the info. And Young Living has a really humble beginning. Like, there's cool pictures in here of like the old warehouse and just the little shelves with like a few oils on it. And it just really tells like his passion for bringing the most amazing, incredible essential oils, the purest, the best, his passion for farms, his passion for helping people, and all of those things. So if you have not checked out this book, it is well worth it. It's a really great read. And I just love it. So I got an extra copy free, and I'm probably going to use it in a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, but that was my order, you guys. That was a lot, right? You can tell I love these oils and these products. So always great when your order comes and you're restocked on things. And yeah, every time my order is done, I'm already in there changing up my cart for next month because I'm always running out of something else. So, and this month it was fun because you get freebies every month, or you get ER points. So I already placed my ER point order, and I got almost $100 worth of free stuff that is coming in the mail shortly. So I'm sure I'll put up a picture of what I got. I think I got what did I get? Oh, I got the oil Harmony, which I've been wanting to try forever. And then I also ordered some more of my dishwasher detergent, which I love. So, all right, guys, have a great day.